So I apologize for the grainy nature of this video, but this was so unexpected that I didn't have a lot of time. I actually missed these guys running down the one side of the wash, across the road, and up the other side. But this is all happening well after the sun's gone down, and it's just what my phone is capturing. Not much I can do about it. I also have a little bit of video of more of them the next day. But this was pretty damn cool. Mountain goats. I'd heard that mountain goats were in Craggy Wash. Have never seen them as many times as I've been there. But they started out on one side of the wash, just coming down, and I thought it was a tarp that was blowing around on the ground. I didn't even know these guys were there until I saw them. Just a weird sound of their hoofs on the rock. So I got my phone as fast as I could, but I wasn't really expecting it. Alright, well, hopefully this doesn't get your goat. This was pretty cool though. They're a lot bigger than I thought they were. They're almost the size of small deer. Anyway, here's the mountain goats of Craggy Wash. Alright, that's about all I got.